Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing a better version how to create YouTube videos, because I made a tutorial before, but yep, I didn't do a good tutorial. So this one's going to actually be a better one. So first you need to go to the YouTube app, and then you got to press plus, and then you can press upload. You can press upload a video if you're trying to create a video, and then you can just do that. Next, you can do, this video is actually going to be uploaded, guys, so yeah. You know, I'm going to change this. You can, guys, think of a good name for your video. I'm not trying to show how to make a good video, because I made one before, but it wasn't that good. This one's kind of better, because your video will turn out better, and especially if you do create a short, that'll turn out even better. When you press that option, you can just do the stuff there. So I'm just gonna do that. And you can do this if you want. Then after you're allowed doing all of this stuff, I'll actually keep the audio. Then you can do age restriction. I don't want, okay, no. And then boom, your video's uploaded. You can go see your videos, and it's already about to upload. So yep, that is going to be it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.